They were swimming like they own the sea, smiling eyes looking back at me from another world, so wild and free. Cosmic swim, just them and me.